SMCI is trending amid a gain of around 6.6%. This is Tuesday, the 15th of July 2025. So the stock is trending as bullish momentum builds, driven by renewed optimism around multiple catalysts tied to NVIDIA and the broader AI infrastructure boom. At the center of the discussion is NVIDIA's reported move to resume sales of its advanced AI chips, specifically the H20 to China, a market that has faced tight restrictions amid export controls. Traders and analysts see this as a significant tailwind for SMCI, which is one of NVIDIA's key server partners and a go to supplier for liquid cooled, high density AI server racks that house these GPUs. Short squeeze potential. Community sentiment is amplified by the fact that short interest in SMCI remains relatively elevated, especially after the stock's sharp run earlier this year and its more recent pullback. Some traders believe that any sustained upside surprise, like confirmation of large new orders from China, could trigger a short squeeze, forcing short to cover and driving the stock price higher in a hurry. This narrative is supported by buyback confidence. SMCI's recent pullback announcement signals that the management believes the stock is undervalued at current levels. Technical breakout setups. Many retail traders are eyeing key resistance levels, watching for a clean break that could add fuel to a momentum driven squeeze. Demand for AI servers keeps growing. Another key piece of the puzzle is the global surge in demand for AI infrastructure. Resumed chip sales to China could unlock a large wave of pent up demand for advanced GPUs, but they can't operate without powerful, efficient servers. This is where SMCI stands out. They have a reputation for delivering NVIDIA certified, high performance, liquid cooled AI racks. They offer rapid turnaround times and flexible configurations. They are expanding their manufacturing footprint to scale up faster than legacy players like Dell or HPE. Expansion in Europe. Adding to the bullish sentiment is SMCI strategic expansion in Europe, with which positions the company to capture new AI and HPC contracts as European governments and cloud providers ramp up AI investments. Diversify revenue streams beyond US China dynamics. Tap into new incentives and energy efficient data center projects that are top priorities in the EU. This expansion is seen as a smart hedge against geopolitical risk and a growth lever as European companies pour billions into AI research and cloud infrastructure. The big picture. In short, the SMCI bull case today combines a major demand unlock from NVIDIA's resumed China sales, technical setup for a potential short squeeze, solid fundamentals supported by stock buybacks and aggressive global expansion, a unique position at the heart of the AI infrastructure build out, arguably the most powerful secular theme in tech right now. Many traders and investors now see SMCI as more than just a server company. It is becoming an AI arms dealer. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. Gain is 6.89, intraday high 53.47%, sorry, $53.47. Let's come back to trading view. We have, let's see what's going on. Yeah, it's that news from SMCI from an NVIDIA that is behind the spike we're looking at right here. So let's return to the daily chart and see. Daily chart underlying trend is Stock is in a strong bullish trend. It's in a bullish trend. I wouldn't say strong. It's in a bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is now um, sloping upwards, but not seriously, not as strong as maybe anything you probably seen before. In terms of projections, we have 58.07, 65.33, 69.82. High prices expected to remain in place up till Friday, the 18th of July, and then after that, there's a good chance the extrapolations that lower prices will kick in and remain in place up till Friday, the 15th of August. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. So let's see whether we can compare the projections we have now with what is going on right now. Let's see whether we have them. SMCI projections. Let's see where we have those projections. We had, yeah, okay. We have, we have projections we have from 43.14, 46.95, 48.52, 50.14, 53.35. I think that's right around where we are. It's printed 53.47. So took at that projection, 53.1, 53.235. You took it out, 55.72. That's the next one. 62.06 and 65.97. So here we have 63.33. So we don't have 69.82. So we'll add 69.82 to our projection. 69.82. Yeah, that's all we have. 69.82. Okay, so what are the odds that it can? Let's see now. This is one of those projections. It is 58.01. We can just quickly slide right. Okay, yeah, it's actually this year that they printed that high. Slide sideways and see whether we can find the probability of it retesting that. It doesn't look that fantastic. Yeah, just look over here. This is where the moving averages are. If the moving average is greater than the projection, the price we are talking about, then we have a 50% a probability that is more than 50%. So now let's try again. 58.01. Yeah, 45.66 is the 10 period moving average, and all the other moving averages, none of them even comes close. So we have a probability that is less than 50%. Let's move sideways again. Yeah, all of them less than 50%. Yeah. So in any case, but there's still some probability there. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. We might even have more ambitious projections there and extrapolations. Here, higher prices are expected to remain in place. I can't see up there, but pullback is expected to come down here to around, what's that price? That will be somewhere around. I can't exactly say, but it's yeah. By then, okay, by Friday the 18th of July, it would have come off the peak that is being extrapolated now. We have 51.49, it's a downward projection. Yeah, 51.49. We could actually try this. We could do this as well. We can try 50.76, 50.67, and then we will remove 48.98 from it, roughly 49. So 49 removed from 50.77. So we have 1.77. We could try and see the sort of projections we're going to get. 1.77, that's the difference. 1.77. We'll see there whether we can extend our projections. 1.77. Let's see whether we can get some. Yeah. 1.77. Where's that calculator? Please show up. Okay, let's see. 1.77. Too slow. 1.77 multiplied by 1.618. 2.86. Add that to the current price of 53.01. 55.87. We already have something like that. 55.72. Okay, so 1.77 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to 52.97. We have, oh no, no, 52.84. We have 57.47 already. Yeah, we have, okay, we don't exactly have it, but we have even higher prices. So let's try again. 3.618 multiplied by 1.77. We have 6.4. Add that to 52.83. No, so we have already covered such projections. So yeah, with time we'll see what's going to come up. So once again, projections, down projections, and then upper projections. So for the 3.14, those are obviously down projections. That's obviously a down projection. 46.95, 48.52, 50.14, 53.35, 55.72, 62.06, 65.97, and then 69.82. So that's what's going on. See what you make of SMCI, and thank you very much for watching this video.